Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering down both the mixer and the home theater AVR to avoid speaker pops. Locate the mixer's main outputs, left/right or an aux send, and note whether they are TRS, XLR, or RCA. Pick cables accordingly. Use balanced TRS or XLR for runs over 15 feet to reduce noise, and RCA for short, clean connections. Once done, set the mixer's master level to unity, 0 dB, and the AVR input gain low so you can safely test signal without clipping. Now you physically connect the mixer to the AVR. Plug the mixer's left/right outputs into the AVR stereo input or a dedicated line input using matched cable types. Make sure the AVR is set to that input and configured for 2-channel or the desired playback mode. Gradually raise the mixer's master while the AVR input gain remains low. Use the mixer's trim or pad if signals clip. Monitor the mix with headphones on the mixer and listen for tone and balance before routing to the room speakers. Finish by playing reference audio and adjusting the mixer's master so peaks sit comfortably below 0 dB while the AVR input meter shows no overload. Confirm speaker selection and room calibration on the AVR. If you hear hum or ground loop noise, try lifting the ground on die boxes or use an isolation transformer. Never defeat safety grounds recklessly. If there's no output, recheck mutes, bus routing, input selection on the AVR, and swap cables to isolate a faulty lead. These steps solve most final issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.